The story of the Plantagenets begins with a fierce dynasty that ruled England for over 3 centuries, shaping the course of a nation with their triumphs and tragedies. At the heart of this saga lies the legendary King Richard the Lionheart, known for his bravery and leadership during the Crusades, which set the stage for future conflicts. As the Plantagenets faced both internal strife and external threats, tales of legendary figures like Robin Hood emerged, capturing the imagination of the people. The 100 Years' War saw monumental battles that defined an era as England and France clashed repeatedly over claims to the throne and territories. This period was also marked by calamities such as the Black Death, which swept through the kingdom, leaving a profound mark on the social and economic fabric. The decline of Plantagenet power became evident with the struggles of King Henry VI, whose reign was troubled by bouts of insanity and civil discord. The Wars of the Roses erupted, pitting the ambitious houses of York and Lancaster against each other in a brutal quest for dominance over the throne of England. Amidst the chaos, Edward IV emerged victoriously, securing his place on the throne, but not without the shadows of conspiracy and treachery lurking at every turn. Elizabeth Woodville, the Queen of Edward IV, faced an uncertain future, navigating the treacherous waters of the royal court following her husband's untimely demise. Richard III rose from the shadows of obscurity as a controversial figure whose reign was marked by both ruthless ambition and the chilling disappearance of the young princes. The Battle of Bosworth Field marked a decisive turning point, leading to the fall of Richard III and the rise of Henry Tudor, forever changing the course of English history. Henry VII's ascension to the throne heralded the beginning of the Tudor dynasty as he secured his reign through marriage to Elizabeth of York, uniting the fractured kingdom. The Tudor era blossomed into a period of cultural and political transformation, while whispers of intrigue and plots echoed through the halls of power.